Welcome back to my channel. I'm at my birthday destination for the birthday turn up. Okay, yes, I just checked in, got settled a little bit, took me a shower, washed the airport away. So I'm gonna put on some clothes and then we're gonna explore. So let me take y'all with me. Let me get dressed and I'm gonna be back. Okay? So it's early in the morning, guys, and this is the perfect opportunity to explore the resort. I like to do it when hardly anybody is out, so not a whole lot of people will be in my camera view. We just have a few people sitting at the entrance. I guess they're waiting for their departure ride. But nonetheless, y'all, this is the lobby of this main building. In the center, you see the bar area. It's supposed to be a restaurant somewhere around here. But oh yeah, look at this. These are all the floors that leads up to this beautiful, amazing skylight. This is so pretty, y'all. This is so pretty. But I'm not staying in this building. It's my birthday, y'all. So you know I upgraded my room. I'm staying in a whole completely different tower. And I'll save that for last. But let's go check out the rest of the resort. So this is our tower, the building we'll be staying in. Yes, we have our own little personal lounge area. The bar is straight to the back where the TV is. Over here is where we check in, where those chairs are, and we have a restaurant right behind this little area. They're having breakfast. I don't want to be rude, so I'm just tiptoe over here real quick and give y'all a glimpse of what this looks like. I hope it's not a lot of people. Oh good, nobody's sitting right here. Yep, it's a restaurant. So last but not least, this is the room, y'all. I love me a lighted, airy, spacious room. This is the drink center. We have a stocked refrigerator. Lots of closet space. However, I have not unpacked not one item. Over here is where the safe is. However, I would not be using it. Even if you set a password, they can still get into it if they want to. So I ain't even about to play myself like that. And this is El Baño, the toilet. Ooh, I love me an aesthetically pleasing bathroom. This tile work is amazing. I need this bathroom design in my house. Ooh, that overhead faucet, child. I gotta be careful with that. Can't be drunk in that shower, child. I will definitely drown. Yes. These wood slats are gorgeous. They can open and close. Lots of room. Nice, light, and airy. Now let's check out this view, y'all. You know I gotta be oceanfront for my birthday. This is so gorgeous, y'all. This is so beautiful. For somebody who loved the water as much as I do and cannot swim to save her life. But yeah, that's the tour. I am starving, so I know breakfast is about to end in a minute, so I'm gonna try to catch it before it ends. And my people are supposed to be checking in, so I'm gonna go meet them too. So I just missed breakfast, so I'm gonna go over to this main building, the first building that I was in earlier, because they're still serving for the next 30 minutes. I need me some bacon, y'all. Gotta go get me some porky pig. Okay, y'all, I'm about to walk in this restaurant, and I don't want to be the weird one with the camera recording people eat, so I will be stuffing my face and then heading back to the room for a change, and I guess my peeps should be settled and checked in, and then we're going to get this day started, honey. So I'll see y'all later. Hey guys, made it back in the room. So I had dinner a few hours ago, but I'm kind of hungry now, so I'm about to get on this room service, order me some food. Then after I do that, I'm going to lay it down for the night. And so I will talk to you guys later.